Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to film a really easy, fun look for you guys. So this right here on my face is what we are going to be doing today. I also wanted to use this palette. I loved this palette for as long as I've owned it, and I don't think I've actually filmed a look using it. This is the Such a Gem 39S from Morphe. In case you guys don't know what it looks like, I will show it to you. This is the palette right here. It is just so pretty and I just love it. I don't have anything else to say. I just really like it. And if you like this look and you want to see how I got it, please keep on watching. Today we're going to go in with this Morphe palette. This is Such a Gem 39S. I don't think I've used this palette on my channel before, but I have used this before and I do like it. So this is what it looks like. And I think we're going to start off with this color right here. This palette's so big. I'm trying to move things around. Taking this shade, I'm just going to stamp this into my upper crease. And I'm going to just drag this out. And I'm just going to bring this out pretty far. I'm going to take this color right here and using the same brush, I'm just going to run that underneath the first shade. Now I'm going to take a little bit more of that P. Louise base. That's what I used to prime my eyes. I'm just going to cut my crease a little bit. I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to fill in where I cut my crease. I'm going to take a pointed Q-tip and just clean up the mess a little bit. And I'm just pulling this out. Now I'm going to do a wing. And where I cleaned the eyeshadow up is going to create a base for me. I'm going to stop it there, and I'm going to drag it. Taking this color, I'm cleaning off that first brush I used to carve out my shadow. I'm going to apply this shadow using that brush. And I'm going to stop the shadow right here. I'm going to take a, no, do I want this one? Yeah. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and I'm just going to diffuse that shadow. I'm going to take a little bit of glitter glue. This is the NYX. And I'm going to apply this on the inner tear duct of my eyes and down right here as well. Now I'm going to take this color and I'm going to stamp that in. I'm going to go in with white and the waterline. I like creating an inner wing with my liner. You don't have to. This is just something I like to do, but I always like to do this after I put my inner tear duct color. While my lashes are drying, we are going to highlight our face. I'm going to go in with the Sugar Glow Kit from Anastasia. And what do I want to do? Okay, let's go with Butterscotch first. I'm also going to go in with Gumdrop. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm going to keep Gumdrop right in the back. I'm going to use Starburst and highlight my nose. No. I'm going to use Gumdrop and highlight my nose. I'm also going to mix both Butterscotch and Gumdrop and just add a little bit to the brow bone. And for blush, we are going in with Kylie's Baddie on the Block. And for my lips, I went in with Morphe's Sweet Tea and Sugar Pie Lip Liner. For lipstick, I went in with 2 of MAC's Powderkiss lipsticks, one in Impulsive and Mull It Over. And then I added a little bit of highlighter from the same glow kit from Anastasia in Gumdrop just in the center, just, you know, just because. And I really like the way it turned out. Alright, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, this video, this tutorial. I love this palette. I know I haven't featured it before, so I figured I'd reach in and try to do something a little simple and creative for you guys. For me, this is something very wearable. I know for a lot of people this may not be, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.